Black Mamba, I woke up on the 90s vibe. I swear I woke up on the 90s vibe, bro. Watch how I keep it in the 90s on niggas. We gon' party like it's 1996 around this bitch.
I've been mixing weed and Patron to help the paranoia. It ain't helping in these streets, I'm feeling like a goner. All the trials and tribulations, that should make me stronger. Know I'm a genius, my nigga, so you can keep diplomas. Graduated from COVID, you know I'm hard-headed. All hoods is the same, so y'all all get it. Where I come from, this shit is so troublesome. Them wolves get hungry enough, nigga, they gon' hunt for some. Meaning if they want that chicken, they gon' pluck for some. If these bitches want your riches, they gon' fuck for some. I'm sick and tired of these whack MCs, the pills and them lean, looking like crack babies. Goddamn, your eggs scrambled in that frying pan. I ain't lying, fam. I write the raps with the golden head. Watch how I kick it. Backwoods keep me lifted. My brother news back and forth. The court shit is wicked, man. I'm out to get it. I want the Tubman's fresh printed. Been a minute since Dennis Reebok pumps. I was in it. I've been official. When I point, homie, you whistle. Eating these 90s beats to the bone gristle. Now what's the issue? Since 11, heart colder than igloos. That's why these thoughts only get the pop. Not talking pimples. Gotta respect it. My whole style wasn't expected. Now every Saturday they say I get these streets hectic. Gotta set the tone, anything goes like a poem. Big homie put me on, says you should never die alone. When shit is on, Brooklands forever home. Peace to my style brother, steady swiping them checks. My man D up north, yeah he call me collect. I can hear it in his voice, man, my nigga is stressed. He out there giving 6 quarters across from the neck. Whoa, whoa. Gotta slow down, son. Never could spot a fake nigga till you close round, son. Yeah, and all them niggas hating, I don't know why, son. And you know they ain't me straightening, we on Brown, son. Go Mayday, go down, son. Oh, man. That's just 40. I had too much fun with this shit, dog. I coulda did a motherfucking old joint. This weekend. It's playoff time. I holla, son. Thunder is on. That mean Russ playing. Alright, deadass. Let me get something else. That was just a warm up. Done talking shit. For real, for real.